Hello dear students, welcome to our online lesson. So today is our sixth lesson and today our topic is reading and translation of special text, tunnel basics, and of course then comes grammar, conditional, type 3. So, what do you know? What is tunnel? What do you think? What is tunnel? Yes, as you see, tunnel is an underground or underwater passageway dug through the surrounding soil, earth, rock, and enclosed except for entrance and exit, commonly at each end. So, what kind of tunnels, or what kind of tunnels do we have in Uzbekistan? Yes, the most popular and the biggest tunnel, railway tunnel, is Angren Pap Tunnel, which have been opened recently for traffic. Yes, and so first of all, I want you to skim the text. So our text consists of 6 extracts, and the first extract tells us what is tunnel and what for it is used. The second extract tells us the history of tunnel construction, and the third extract tells us the latest tunnel construction technologies and other things. So the next extract tells us about soft ground tunnels, and the next extract tells us rock tunnels, and the last one tells us, or we can find information about underwater tunnels. So as you see, there are 3 major types of tunnels. They are soft ground tunnels, rock tunnels, and underwater tunnel. Now look at these questions and try to answer them individually. You can write them or you can answer them orally. For example, what is tunnel? What does tunnel provide? Who created the most extensive network of tunnels? When were tunnels being constructed for canals? The fifth one, what happened during the 19th and 20th centuries? The sixth one, what do engineers do before carving a tunnel? What are soft ground tunnels often used as? And the next one is, what do you know about underwater tunnels? So you are welcome with your answers via internet or telegram site. And so after text it comes active vocabulary, which is very useful for you. So our today's grammar is third conditional. So in our when you were second and third term students, we learned about first conditional, second conditional, and today is our grammar dedicated to the third conditional. So what do you know about third conditional? So how do you know its construction? Okay, its construction. So had plus verb 3, it is in the one sentence, and the second sentence would have and verb 3. So for example, if I had studied in university, I would have had a better job. Okay, so let us translate this sentence. Если бы я училась в университете, то я бы получила лучшую работу, или более лучшую. Okay, how it will be in Uzbek? Agar men universitetda o'qiganimda edi, yaxshiroq ishga kirgan bo'lar edim. Okay, so here we have presentation on this material. So let us read one or two sentences. If it had not rained last night, we would have visited our friends. Если бы вчера ночью не было дождя, мы бы навестили наших друзей. Let translate it in Uzbek. Agar kecha yomg'ir yog'maganida edi, biz do'stlarimizni ko'rgani borar edik. So, the second sentence. If I had worked harder at school, I would have gotten better grades. Если бы я больше занималась в школе, я бы получила более высокие оценки. Okay, now I want you to make this sentence into negative. Okay, so for example, if it hadn't rained last night, we wouldn't have visited our friends. If I hadn't worked harder at school, I wouldn't have gotten better grades. Okay, very good. So, dear students, if you enter the Moodle platform and if you enter this lesson, you will find the Word version, PPT version, and of course a video which is taken from internet site, and you are welcome, of course. And after this lesson, we download tests. You should do it individually, and of course you can get a mark for your answers. So I think that conditional third is understandable for you. So please, at home, do these exercises. Put the verbs in bracket into the correct tense to make correct type third conditional sentence. After, put the verbs in brackets into correct form. And I think that's all. Okay,